guys, welcome back to Ajax's Adventures. Today we're exploring the beautiful Kit Hill. We have Ajax in the back. Hello handsome boy. He is ready and raring to go on a nice big walk. So we shall jump out the car and get to it. Had a little bit of a picnic and I'll show you the view. How beautiful is that view? Just at the quarry now, we're playing fetch with Ajax. Going between the rocks and the water to get the ball. He seems like he's having a good time. Made it to the top of Kit Hill, and there is Kit Hill Mine. So we're just walking over towards it now to let Ajax run around a bit and wear off the last remainder of energy he has before walking back down to the car. So yeah, have you enjoyed your day?
Hey. What?
Have you enjoyed your day?
Yeah. Yes, I have. In the car after the walk now, and Will is driving us home. Ajax is in the back asleep, exhausted from his nice big walk today. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to give it a like, comment down below and subscribe to see my upcoming videos, and don't forget to turn the notification bell on. Bye!